Hey everybody! So it's October in northern Alberta, and I thought it would be pretty fun to get out for a nice fall color chilly gravel ride. Come along today, let's go check out some fall colors, maybe get philosophical and enjoy ourselves. This ain't gonna be no training session. Let's go! Look at these Reds. Here comes a car. It's a Honda. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Don't crash, be ready. Loose gravel. Fall on the prairies, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we made it to the river, and I mean, it's gorgeous. And that really brings me to what I want to talk about today. The big question. Why do I do this? Why do I ride? To me, riding a bike has always been about just sheer enjoyment. From the time I was a kid to getting back on a bike, you know, a handful of years ago, to me, riding has been about the adventure. And to me, I sometimes feel like I'm losing my grip on what that looks like. As a guy who is diving deeper and deeper into the world of cycling, but also a guy who is a creative human being that has kind of got to where I am, got to where he is based on my creative skills. I mean, growing up I was an athlete. Growing up I did play sports, but I was never a competitive cyclist. So that's the constant back and forth in my head right now. And I wonder the same about other folks. As a person who rides bikes, or even as a person who's ridden bikes competitively, do you feel compelled to be competitive even as you get older? So I guess maybe as an athlete, being competitive is something that has driven me as a cyclist. But then there's this creative side, this fun side, this adventure side that just wants to go out and ride for the sake of riding, just like I climbed for the sake of climbing. So here I am, 15K in to a leisurely stroll on a really muddy road down by the river with the plans of just cracking a nice stout on a cold day and enjoying myself. Slowing it down. Slowing it down. That's what a guy needs to do these days. Now, I guess, does that mean a person doesn't go out on epics? No, epics are what I live for. But I'm trying to live for, and I'm loving living for, these types of days and these types of rides. You know, that makes sense, right? That makes sense, right? This is such a good beer. We're headed back. I mean, it wasn't that hard of a climb out. I just sat for a long time and drink a really big beer. I'm gonna rip this bridge though. We're gonna get home, get back to the real world and do some laundry. Fuck yeah. Alright, so here's the situation I'm in. I just pulled my drone to do a helix over a bridge, and now it's froze up there, and eventually it's gonna die and fall out of the sky. So So like, let's see what it does. Oh my god, this is fucking crazy. It's not listening to me. This is the new DJI NEO, by the way. Which, I mean, I'm trying to do the whole like come to me, come and land to me situation. But it's just hovering in the air on this really narrow bridge. So it's like either gonna land in the water or on the road. And there's like vehicles coming. It's kind of fucked. Eventually it's gonna die though. I don't know what's happening. My phone's dead. If my phone was alive, I could control it better, but my phone's not alive. My phone's dead. Worst case scenario. Here comes a guy on a Ford. Let's see what he thinks of this whole situation. I mean, they weren't unimpressed, but they also weren't like impressed. I feel like if it were to land now, it really is bordering on falling in the river versus yeah, versus not. So I'm gonna try to catch it. I'm gonna try to record this. Eventually I'm just gonna hang out and try to like basically catch it. I'm gonna just put my GoPro up and try to record this. Get closer. Oh fuck, here comes a log truck. This log truck's clipping. Sit here and drones eventually gonna fall. Come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, come down. Okay, all right, the drone came down. God, tell me I got that footage though, right? Oh, it would suck if I didn't. Okay, it's dead, but please, like, if it doesn't record that footage, what the fuck is the point of all this? All right, everything's dead. Everything's dead except the GoPro, and I was gonna sell you a minute ago. What does that just say? Let's shut it off. I feel like if we shut it off... Follow. It's still alive. Alright, alright, alright. That was nuts. I really hope that video recorded. If it didn't, oh my fuck. Oh my god. Oh my mother. Oh my mother of Pete. What would be the point? Alright! Alright, so the drone fiasco's over. I got it. The existential crisis is over. What am I gonna do? Where am I going from here? So many things to think about. I think you just keep riding bikes. Right? You just keep riding bikes and let life come your way. What's wrong with that? Nothing. Close to home. I'm gonna avoid the shitty roads. I'm gonna avoid the mud. I'm gonna ride these trails. Another good fall ride. These are beauty. Never too hot. I mean, maybe that's the story. get out for fall rides. Do what you love. Have some fun. Drink some beer. Big little single tracky business. I mean, I feel like this ride isn't completion. Complete. I don't feel like this ride is done. I don't fucking know. I don't feel like this ride's done. Whoa. Without a little single track. Let's find it. Let's go. Let's get it. There it is. That was another great ride, guys. Thanks for coming along, and see you in the next one. Boom.